Good morning, students. Your next chapter in your syllabus is light energy. In last chapter we have revised about what is energy. Energy is something capacity to do work. We need to do work, we need energy. And then we have discussed the type of energy. In that type of energy we have discussed a light energy. So light energy is energy that is help us to see objects around us. That is light. If there is no light, we are not able to see the things around us. So anything related to light is light energy. And the branch of science which deal with this study, we talk about the light, its phenomena, that is known as optics. The most important light energy is sun. From sun we get light that help us to see things around us. Then we have transparent object, translucent object, opaque object. Earlier also you have got to know about it, like transparent objects are the one which allow the light to pass through them, that are transparent, like your glasses. Translucents are the one which let only partial light to pass through them, like butter paper. And opaque objects are the one which do not allow any form of light to pass through them, like wood, cardboard, orange, apple. No light can pass through it. That is an opaque object. The main thing that is concerned with our light is reflection, like how we see our reflection in the mirror, in water, like while we are driving the car or bicycle, we can see the traffic at the back with the rear view mirrors. So that is related to reflection of light. Reflection of light is a light that fall on an object and bounce back, and strike and bounce back. That is known as reflection of light. The coming back of the light in the medium after striking the surface of a other medium is called reflection of light. Means a light is coming, it is striking on an object, any object, and bouncing back. That is known as reflection of light. And reflection of light always occur in regular surface, that is a plane one. Always the surface has to be plane one, then only the light properly get fall back and bounce back. If it is not a regular one, it is something not a plane, then the light is unable to reflect properly. So this is called irregular reflection, and this is the regular reflection when light strikes and bounce back or strikes back. And they are saying the shining surface absorb very large amount of light. The object that is shining will absorb all the light and return most of the light in the medium through which light comes. So the surface has to be shining, has to be plane, then only the light will come and reflect back for reflection of light. So they have given some examples like how we are able to see our reflection in the mirror, and how we are able to see our reflection in the spoon. Spoon is also a plane. There is no roughness in there. It is a plane and it is a shiny object. Same how we see the reflection of traffic in a rear view mirror. In microscope we are able to observe everything with the help of and microscope. Microscope zoom the things that we want to see it. So they are having a plane mirrors in them, so we are able to see the objects. Same goes for flashlights. A light strikes and it gets scattered and we are able to see the light. Same goes for headlights of our scooties, of our car, and we can see the reflection of trees in the water when there is a sunlight of sun. And then comes some terms related to reflection. Reflection, most important is it should have some plane mirror, plane surface. So this is a plane surface, and if it is shiny then you can draw like that, plane surface and lines. This lines tell us that the surface is shiny or polished. The surface is shiny or polished, the lines will get drawn like that. So the light that comes and strikes on the plane mirror, it is known as incident ray. The light that bounce back, it known as reflected ray. So light that is coming is incident and reflecting back is reflected ray. And the light which is we can draw perpendicular to this plane. Perpendicular means drawing a 90-degree angle. So this is a plane and this is normal. 90 degree. So this is normal. So this is our normal. This is our plane and this is our normal, which is 90 degree to the plane. So we have drawn a normal. So incident ray, reflected ray and normal, and the angle between incident ray and the normal is known as angle of incidence, and the angle between normal and reflected ray is angle of reflection, and the point at which it meet is known as point of incidence. The light is coming, striking at some point, that is known as point of incidence. The light which is coming is incident ray, reflecting back is reflected ray, and the perpendicular to the plane is normal, and the angle between incident ray and normal ray is angle of incident, and normal and reflected ray is angle of reflection of light. These are the terms related to reflection. With this, we get to know two laws of reflection. First law is that incident ray, reflected ray and the normal ray, all these rays are in the same plane. They are lying at same plane. They are in same medium. If they are in air, they all are in air. If they are in water, if all are there in water, it means they are all are in same plane. And second is this angle of incidence and angle of reflection is equal. Means if it is 50, it will also be 50. If it is 100, it also be in 100. So mean angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal in reflection of light. Then we have plane mirror. Plane mirror is something that is plain, smooth and polished. That is our plane mirror, like we have in our home. That is our plane mirror. So plane mirror can be drawn like that, a line and some perpendicular lines drawn downside. That is reflection of light. And plane mirrors examples are the mirrors in which we have at a home, like hairdressing, makeup, shaving one. Rear view mirror in our cars. Then when we go and test our eyes, that time also they use a plane mirror to see. In solar cooker also we have a plane mirror in which the sunlight strike and it cook the food in the solar cooker. In toys like calendar scope, it show a light and its light will be broken in different colors. And then we have in submarines, that is periscope. In submarines, to see like outside if any ship is moving or any are enemies there, they took out this periscope outside and view it from inside, being in a submarine. That is periscope. During haircut, people see their haircut how it is gone with the help of plane mirror. Microscope also have a plane mirror, and speedometer also. Speedometer is the one which measures the speed of an instrument, like of a car, of a scooty. So that also have some plane mirror over it.